Hello guys, you're welcome to this training section. So in this section, I will be teaching you how to convert your voiceover and create a video with it. Okay, so in the previous video, I taught you guys how to get your script with ease. All right, how to transcribe it, how to convert it into something a bit different from the original script, and how to create a voiceover for it with 11 laps. Now we want to talk about how to put the whole voice over with a video and create a nice motivational video. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you can use different styles. Okay, but one of the beautiful way to do it, especially for motivational quotes, you can always go to YouTube and you're going to search for non-copyright motivational videos. Taufik, no copyright music, so you can just subscribe to him. Okay, so let's see some of the videos the guy has. Videos, motivational, free video, no copyright. So let's see. So I think I like this one. Okay. So it says motivational video and music, no copyrights, free. Okay. So the reason why we're looking for non-copyright videos is we want to create a motivational video using these videos, and we don't want YouTube to tag it as copyright infringement. Okay. So since this one it says is a non-copyright, if we click on more here, let's see if there's any instruction. It says you can download my videos and use them for free for any purpose. Just remember to credit me. But if you wish to donate, thank you so much. What we're going to do is we're going to copy the link of this video now. Click on share, copy link. So you're going to go straight to your browser and you search for and you type savefrom.net. Go straight to savefrom.net. Paste the link you copied here, and automatically it's going to bring out the link, the video. Okay, so we're going to click on download. Just skip this guy, cut it off. This is where you'll go back here. So that's when you can see this download. Okay, so download the video. All right, so the video has just been downloaded. So I want to make sure I save the video. Okay, so now we have the video downloaded. What we're going to do now is to go straight to InShots. You need to make sure you have this app, InShots app. And so I'm going to click on it. We'll go straight to video, new. Okay, so it should appear. So this is the video here. We'll click done. So this is the video. Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to silence the sound. So we don't want to have any sound. Now the next thing we want to bring in the voiceover. All right, so we're going to click on music. You click on music here, then imported. We're going to click on import files because that's where I have the music currently. So I'm going to click on this.
Have you ever experienced a moment where it feels like the world?
Okay, so let me bring in the second file. There were two files.
Life punches you in the. Have you ever experienced a moment?
So this is how it's going to look like.
Have you ever experienced a moment where it feels like the world is conspiring against you? When the weight of the world rests heavily on your shoulders.
So what we're going to do now is, you can see these videos are changing so fast. So we're going to click on the video and make it slow. We're going to go to speed. Where is speed? Okay, this is speed. So just drag it down to, let's say 80. Click done. So let's see.
Have you ever experienced a moment where it feels feels like the world is conspiring against you, when the weight of the world rests heavily on your shoulders.
I think I should make it slower.
Have you ever experienced a moment where it feels like the world is conspiring against you, when the weight of the world rests heavily on your shoulders?
Okay, so let's go back to music so we can add the second clip. Okay, the first clip ended here. So let's bring in the second clip.
Have you ever experienced when life punches you in the face?
Use. So let's see.
Your abilities, your ideas, and your vision. When life punches you in the face.
Okay. So now what you want to do is this, guys. Observe something. Because we want this video to be long, at least 5 minutes upward. Okay. So this is what we're going to do. You have to take your time and be trimming these voices. First of all, before you start trimming or editing the voice, you want to increase the volume first.
Have you ever experienced a moment where it feels like the world?
Okay, then this is what you do.
Have you ever experienced a moment where it feels like the world is conspiring against you, when the weight of...
Now, I want here to be, I'm going to click on split. So I will have to drag this guy back a bit. So it should talk like this.
Against you, when the weight of the world rests heavily on your shoulders, and the thought of giving up crosses your mind, pursuing...
Now I will have to trim this middle part, drag it out a bit small. Okay, just I want the delay, okay, the delay from one speech to the next speech to be a bit farther from each other, okay, so that it doesn't talk so fast. That's what I want to do. Okay,
crosses your mind. Pursuing your dreams and making life changes can be incredibly tough, especially after being knocked down by life's challenges. But it's in the...
Then you also trim here a little bit, take it back just a little.
challenges. But it's in these moments of extreme adversity that we discover the audacity to persevere and transform trials into treasures. Living your dream and making significant life changes is no walk in the park.
You trim this one, take it a bit, just little. Okay.
Walk in the park. You'll undoubtedly make mistakes, face failures, encounter...
So that's what you want to keep doing, okay? Just to make so by the time you keep trimming them and dragging it to give a little space, just a little space, okay, from one speech to the other, okay? By the time you keep doing this and finish it all the way to the end, then you will have a video of about up to 5 minutes. Let's see where this one ends actually. It's actually up to 5 minutes and 29 seconds. So imagine by the time we do that trimming and drag a whole lot of it backward, it might get to 6 minutes. Okay, so now when you're done doing that, the next thing you want to add is a sound, a background sound. So you click on music, click on imported. So I have some motivational music. Okay, so let me use this one.
Have you ever experienced a moment where it feels like the world is conspiring against you?
So you just need to make sure you reduce the volume of this guy so that it wouldn't be louder than the main sound, because it's the main speech people want to hear. Okay, you need to make sure you reduce the volume of your background sound so that it doesn't overtake the main sound. Okay, so
When the weight of the world rests heavily on your shoulders and the thought of giving up crosses your mind.
now when you're done doing the whole thing, all right, when you're done doing the whole thing, the next thing you want to do is to click on save here. Okay, so then you click on save from there.